comes the money taking place. $20.
Is it $20?
Yeah, they raised them this year or last.
Yeah, isn't that something? Hello, how are you?
Good. You're all set.
We're all set, thank you.
Me and Ethan are about to do the Sleeping Bear Dunes climb. It's right behind us. See you later.
And Mom.
No, you're doing it?
Mom's doing it?
Ethan?
And you're gonna do it with a backpack on?
Yes.
Holy
It's
cannoli.
not a backpack, it's
Folks, that's about 5,000 feet up that dune. No, about 300 maybe. Let's just watch and see how long until the first break is necessary. Let's put bets on it. Uncle Dana, first break, what time?
Halfway.
You think halfway?
Yeah, I think halfway.
Aunt Karina?
Nah, Cindy probably not quite halfway.
I say Cindy about a third.
Yeah.
Boys about half. Halfway's done. Mom is surprising us all. Oh, that's it. About 70%, right?
Yep.
70-80%. Doing good, babe.
up there.
Oh, they are so close. Right up there. Supposedly over that mountain of sand is Lake Michigan. But we've already been there and you've seen it,
I
so.
want to see it up there.
You got Uncle Dana, Aunt Karina, and Dad waiting on us. So I lied. I'm going up to where the boys are. Down there. They're up there. You wanna come with me? Let's go. I think they're trying to kill me. We ain't going that far.
We'll take
Look
the
how far
camera.
that is.
We'll take the camera.
No. You already got a view of the lake.
I know, but you get to see this lake and that lake.
Yeah, I don't see Dad.
Yeah, you're not gonna.
Nowhere to be seen. Huh?
You're not gonna see him. He's gonna be at the bottom. You can't.
We just came up that dune from down there, and the boys are going up, 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 up. Mama is not going up, up, up. Oh, you hear me? That's my running. That's what you get, shadow.
You did good.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad going up.
All right, we are at the Michigan or Lake Michigan Overlook Pierce Stockton Scenic Drive, and it has been gorgeous. Whoa. What do you think, guys?
It's cool. It's cool, yeah.
Go head down.
2 hours. I was reading a sign about the mother bear dune, that it's being destroyed. People have been eroding the bear by all the actions we've been doing, like the dune rides and using the wood that, or the trees that have been holding the dune together for things, and now it's falling apart because of humans.
Atmosphere can bend light, and you can actually see a reflection of the city. Like if you look over the horizon, you'll actually see what looks like the city.
Yeah.
But it's not. It's a reflection.
Michigan Lake overlook at Sleeping Bear Dunes. What did we all think?
It was good.
Yeah. Really good. It was gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Simply gorgeous.
Tony, did you lock the windows?
We're in the middle of a run here. Owen, what'd you think?
I thought it was pretty neat.
How many feet up or down was it, I should say?
Did you see the sign said fat people don't come down here? I saw it.
I think that sign was in your head.
As we all know.
As we all know what?
That's not going on there. You are standing in the middle of approximately 4 square miles called the Sleeping Bear Dunes Complex.
What's wrong with you, old man?
I was showing her, see the 2 boats there on their shore station?
Yeah.
Look how far they are from the shore. Because it's so shallow in that area.
Yeah.
So they have to take a canoe or something to get out to their speedboat.
I don't know if you can tell, but behind me is supposed to be Alligator Hill. The head, I can't see what you're looking at. Let's see. The tip of the nose over here, head, body, and I assume there's a tail further. You know what this reminds me of, babe? Reminds me of Hawaii. Really does.
Does it?
A lot.
Just the overlooks and
Yeah.
the water?
Yeah.
Now, would you be looking at an inland lake in Hawaii? Or
No, it would have been
ocean itself?
ocean with a couple of other islands out, you know, but a similar feel. You know, mountains right up next to the water.
While a relatively small area, there is incredible diversity around you. The high plateau gently dips to the lakeshore to the north, Sleeping Bear Bay. However, to the east, dunes are dramatic. The dunes rise dramatically. I don't have my readers on. Almost straight up from the water. So that's our next stop. The covered bridge. Have you ever seen a covered bridge with the National Park Service arrowhead on it? The original one, built by Mr. Pierce Stocking for his scenic drive, did not boast the symbol, of course. He just wanted to provide a picturesque detail for sightseers to stop and photograph. Please enjoy. So this bridge was built just for us to drive by and say, look at the old bridge and take a picture.
Who's letting your kids run around?
Shirtless.
Promise to protect.
Promise to protect.
Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore.
Sleeping Bear Dunes National Lakeshore.
Explore other national parks.
Explore other national parks.
Learn about history and nature.
Learn about history and nature. And share everyday life.